afternoon, students. My name is Reema and I welcome you all to Vista's Learning. Who we are? We are an online educational platform where we provide quality education for all. Here you will get all the videos from grade 1 to grade 12. So to get all the benefits from our channel, do subscribe to it, like, share it with your friends, family members, so that someone out there get access to quality education. And also, we design the lessons according to your cognitive ability so that you understand the things in an easy manner. So, I will be taking one of the subject from grade 11 science. So, this is a picture of DNA. Now, you all know what is DNA, right? So, it is the hereditary material of all living organisms. Now, when we talk about hereditary materials, that is the science which deals with the study of all the living organisms is your biology. So, I will be taking biology from grade 11 science. I am Reema, biology educator from Vista's Learning. What is biology? So you can see here the bacteria, the plants, animals, all the living organisms which we study is about biology. So biology is the study of all the living organisms on this planet. You all studied biology in your lower grades too. But here in class 11, you will be studying the concepts in detail. You will be clearing your concepts much more in a clear manner. So, some of you have chosen physics, chemistry, mathematics, right? But some has chosen physics, chemistry, and biology. Why? Because you want to go for your NEET examination. So, for that, clearing each and every concept is very much important. Do you know what is the total marks for your NEET examination? I'll tell you. It is 720 marks, out of which your 360 marks will be from your biology and 180 each from your physics and chemistry. So you have to clear all the concepts from your grade 11 as well as grade 12. So don't worry. But when you open your textbook, you think that you have lots to study. You have many terminologies, scientific names, right? Morphology, anatomy, what not to study. But don't take tension. We are here to guide you. You just need to be connected with us. We provide you effective teaching so that you learn in an effective manner. So be connected with Vista's Learning. You'll be enjoying my biology classes, and here I will be clearing all your concepts. Now I'm going to share some of the tips which will help you to score good marks. See, biology is one of the interesting subjects. You can score good marks only if you follow the steps while studying. Number one is you have to motivate yourself. See, students, motivation, no one can motivate you unless and until you motivate yourself. So motivation should be from within. Clear? So you have to show interest to the subject. You have to love that subject. You have to show respect to the subject. Then only you will be understanding each and every concept. You have to think in a positive manner. Next is your value, your time. Student, your time is most important for you. So always utilize your time in a proper manner. So always value your time. As there is a saying, right? Once time is lost, everything is lost. So this time you will not get back again in your life. So always value your time. Do your work in your proper time. Next is your focus on the task. So see, whatever the task you are doing, like playing, right, studying, always try to do on time. So whenever you are studying also, always focus on the study, right? When you are playing, is your some more tips which will also help you. As a student, keep always one timetable. Always maintain your timetable. Every subject you should study at least 1 hour. So you have physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, right? So you give at least 1 hour in a day to each and every subject. So always maintain the timetable. Next is your make notes. So this is very important. Make notes of each and every topics which you are studying. That will help you in your examination. I tell you, if you practice this making notes, that is really helpful. Next, practice. That is practice, practice, and practice. It will make you always perfect in your work. If you don't understand the concept, read it 5 times, read it 10 times, no problem. Practice it. And also solve the previous year questions. So I tell you, solve the 5 years question paper. 5 years previous question paper, you will get 95% marks in your board examination. And you will excel in your academics. So that was some of the tips which I have shared. Now let's see what is biology. So as I said that biology is the study of the living organisms. Now how can you define this? It is the scientific study of living organisms. Clear? So it is basically the scientific study of all living organisms present on this planet. So biology, it is derived from 2 words. It is derived from Greek word. One is bio, another one is logos. So bios and logos. What is bios? Bios means life and logos means study, right? So it is the study of life. But when you think of biology, you not think that medical. You can go for medical, right? But in biology also, you have many other branches where you can get success in your life. Like some of the branches are cell biology, microbiology, biotechnology, right? There are many more branches. You can study the life science and you can also excel in your academics. Can you identify this person? Who is this? Yes, he is the father of biology. He is the father of biology. He is a great philosopher and his name is Aristotle. So he is a famous great philosopher. Now let's see some of the importance of this subject. Why you need to study this subject as a student? Why it is important? It will help you to understand the living world. So you will be able to identify the relationship between all the living organisms, how they have evolved, how they communicate with one another. And also, you get idea about the research. You see that what is research? It is a scientific study. Now, in this present situation, pandemic is going on, right? So we all were running after virus. We all were running after sorry. So now finally we got the vaccine. It's because of the research. It's because of the development in the field of biological science. Clear? So studying this subject will help you to understand the advancement in the field of research. Next is your agriculture. So it will also provide you knowledge about the advancement in the field of agriculture and also about the human body mechanism. So you will be understanding how the human body is functioning properly in our body. So this is all about the importance of this subject. So I have shared about what is biology importance. Now let us explore the syllabus of class 11 biology. Can you identify this picture? When you have seen this, you have also studied it in your lower classes. What you can see here, species to kingdom of domain. That is from the lowest category to the highest category. What is this? This is a, yes, taxonomic classification. Now, when we talk about taxonomic classification. Why it is necessary? Because in this living world, we have many living organisms and we need to name them, we need to classify them. So this taxonomic classification is very much essential. In this living world, we have diversity in living organisms, right? So your unit 1 is all about the diversity in the living world. Clear? So under this unit, you'll be studying about the living world, which is your first chapter. So what you are going to study under this? Under this, you will be studying about what is living. What makes living organisms unique? Like all the characteristics of the living organisms. And also you will be studying about the taxonomic classification. Next is your biological classification. You all have studied about 5 kingdom classification in your lower classes too. But here you will be studying that in detail about the Monera, Protista, Plantae, and you will be studying about the detail. So next is your plant kingdom. So what you will study in that? In that you will study about the plants, how they are categorized depending on their habitat, like algae, bryophyta, tetridophytes, how they are classified. Clear? Next is your animal kingdom. So it is also same. You'll be studying all about the animals under this chapter. So this is all about your unit 1. Unit 1 has got 4 chapters. Alright. Now what you can see here, this side you can see a picture of a plant which is showing the roots, which is showing the leaves, right? So in plants, they have morphology. What is morphology? Morphology means the study of physical appearance of the plant. So here in this side you can see a cockroach, right? So cockroach also has a appearance, physical appearance, right? So in this unit, that is your unit 2, you'll be basically studying about the structural organization in plants and animals. So your unit 2 is about structural organization in plants and animals. You will be studying about the morphology and anatomy, how is the structure of plants and animals. So let us see the chapters. So chapter 1 is your morphology of flowering plants. So you will be studying about the roots, the types of roots, about the leaves, the modification in leaves, then about the stem, right, under this chapter. Next is your anatomy of flowering plants. What do you mean by anatomy? Anatomy means what? Anatomy means the study of the internal structure, study of the tissues. You will be studying all tissues of plants under this chapter. And the last one is your structural organization in animals. So you will be studying about the animal tissues. Now what is tissue? Tissue is a group of cells that are performing a specific function. You will be studying all about animal tissues like epithelial tissue, connective tissue, right? So we will study under this chapter. So unit 2 has got how many chapters? It has got 3 chapters. Clear? Okay. Next is, you can see here, unit 3, structure and function, right? Now what is this picture? This is a picture of cell. So unit 3 deals with the study of the structure and function of your cell. So we will be studying about cell. Now what is cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. You all have studied in your lower classes too. But here you will be studying in much more detail. Clear? And all the discoveries, all the cell organelles you will be studying. Okay, next is your biomolecules. Now what is biomolecules? These are the essential molecules which are required for the living organisms. We'll be studying about carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, all the things under this chapter. Next is your cell cycle and cell division. Now, what you are going to study under this? Under this, you will be studying how the cell division is taking place. That is about the mitosis and all about the meiosis process you will be learning in this chapter. So, these are the three chapters you have under Unit 3. Now, see what this is a plants, right? How beautiful they are. So, our next unit is all about the plants. You'll be understanding about the plant physiology. Now, what do you mean by physiology? Physiology means studying the various parts of the plants and their function. We'll be studying all about the various function of the plants. The parts of the plants, how they are functioning in plants. So let us see the chapters. So first chapter under this unit will be your transport in plants. So what you are going to study? What do you mean by transportation? Transportation means what? Transfer of materials from one part to okay. So here you will be studying about the xylem, phloem, how the water is being transferred, how the food is being transferred in the plants. Next is your mineral nutrition. We all need nutrition for our growth and division, right? So plants also need nutrition. So some of the nutrition they need in larger amounts, some they need in smaller amounts. So you will be studying all about the macronutrients and the micronutrients under this chapter. Next is your photosynthesis in the higher plants. You all have learned about photosynthesis from your lower grades, right? So photosynthesis, you will be learning in detail about the C3, C4 pathways and also the light reaction, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, how the plant is preparing food using this. So next chapter is your respiration in plants. So how the respiration is taking place, you will be learning about that. That is how the stomata is functioning in plants. And next is all about your plant growth and development. So plants, how they grow, they need hormones for their growth and division. So you'll be learning about the auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, all the plant hormones, how they are functioning for the growth and development of the plants. Clear? So these are the chapters under Unit 4, that is your plant physiology. Next, what you can see, human body, right? So human body, inside of human body, we have a various system too. So this system helps us to function properly. Now, in this unit, you will be studying about the human physiology. You will be learning all about the different organs, their system, how they are functioning in our body. So let us see the chapters. So first will be your digestion and absorption. Now what are you going to learn? The digestive system. How the digestive system and the enzymes present in your body help us to get energy from the food which we eat. So our digestive system helps in the process of digestion. We'll be learning all about the enzymes, how they function in our body. The next chapter is your breathing and exchange of gases. So this is all about the respiration process, how the respiration is occurring in our body, how the different process, that is the alveoli, lungs, the different organs helps in the process of respiration. Next is your body fluids and circulation. This is all about your heart. You will be learning about the blood vessels, how your heart is functioning properly under this chapter. Next is your excretory products and the elimination. So here we will be learning about the function of kidney, the function of nephron, how the kidney helps in the process of elimination of the excretory materials in our body. And then we will also learn about locomotion and movement. So we are moving from one place to another, right? How are we moving? Because of our muscles. So you will be learning about the muscles. We have 3 types of muscles in our body, right? So you will be learning all about the muscles and the structure in this chapter. So next is your neural control and coordination. So under this chapter, you will learn about the nervous system. You will learn all about the nervous system, their functions, how they are passing signals from one part of the body to another. And the last one is your chemical coordination and integration. This is all about hormones, how the hormones in our body are functioning properly. We will be learning about insulin, right? We'll be learning about the thyroxine hormones. So all about the hormones. Hormones are nothing but the chemicals which helps in proper regulation in our body. So we will see about hormones under this chapter. So this is all about Unit 5. We will be understanding about the human physiology. So now can you tell me how many chapters are there in your class 11 biology? Yes, there are total 22 chapters. But don't worry, we will learn it in an easy manner. So in today's class, I have discussed with you about the importance of biology, why you need to study this subject, and I have given you about the overview of the syllabus and also the tips to study the biology in an easy manner. I hope you will enjoy exploring biology with me. So to get all the notifications of my video lessons, be connected with Vista's learning. In my next class, I will be starting with your first chapter, that is your chapter 1. Till then, keep learning and be connected with us so that you get all the benefits from us. So keep learning and